Hello everybody, thanks for joining again. Today's video we're going to talk about kind of a paint care type of thing. Not so much, but I do want to mention real quick, I got some real camera stuff coming in. So I'll be having the GoPros to shoot with, like I'm doing now. And I'll also have some Sony camera equipment and things like that coming in. Anyway, so it's pollen season here. Pollen's everywhere. Not just pollen, but dirt as well is what we're going to be talking about, dust. You know, there's always a common thing. People like to ride on your cars and say, wash me. Don't do that to the paint. Only do that to the glass if you're going to do it. And even then you shouldn't do it because it can scratch glass too. So what people don't realize is a lot of people who aren't into cars or anything like that, they don't realize that when you do that, you're rubbing that dirt across the paint and it's scratching the car. A lot of people don't realize that. I had someone do it to my GTR. Yeah, they wrote on my hood. It was not ill intent. It was just all fun and games. They didn't mean anything by it, and they probably don't even know. I doubt they know that it even would scratch the car, but it does. So today's video, I'm going to wash the GTR. First, I'm going to show it to you guys. Look, see, no ill intent, but you can see the scratches. I don't know if you can see that or not with this. Let me see. Maybe this will help brighten it up. You can see the scratch marks where the fingers were. See all the scratches? Just right in there, there's scratches everywhere. So what that has done is scratch the paint on my hood. Now, this is going to be one of two things in this video. One, it's going to be educational to tell you to not do that to anybody's car ever. Never ride on the car. Or it's going to tell you why you should get your car ceramic coated. My car is ceramic coated, so yeah, I just saw a few scratches there. But what I'm hoping is that when I wash the car, that it all kind of comes off and that the scratching is so minimal that you can't see the writing anymore. Oftentimes what happens when people do that, it leaves behind on the paint. So even though you wash your car, now that's on your car and it has to be polished off. So I'm going to go out here, I'm going to wash the car, I'm going to hope that that doesn't really do anything because it's ceramic coated. So either this video is going to turn into, hey, this is why you should ceramic coat your car, or one of the reasons why you should ceramic coat your car because it helps you prevent that from scratching. Or if it is scratched, it's going to be a video on why you don't do that. You do not write on people's cars ever, 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 ever. Luckily for me, I know what I'm doing. I can get that off. Some people can't. That right there, if someone was to bring that to me to fix, that'd be about a $500 fix because I would probably polish the whole car. Actually, probably more like $800 fix. So that's about, I had someone do it one time before I knew what I was doing to an SUV I had. I had a Tahoe, and they charged me like $1,200 or $1,500 to have it fixed. Someone wrote all over the car. I mean, it wasn't just the hood. It was the sides, the back, the front, all that. And there was salt on the road because we took it snowboarding, and they wrote all over the car. Don't do that, ever. Ever, ever, ever. Again, luckily for me, I know what I'm doing. I can get that out. Yeah, it's going to take time, but I can get it out. Some people are not that knowledgeable, nor do they have the tools to do that, and it can cost them a lot of money to fix that. So please do not ride on people's cars. So I'm going to pause the video here. I'm going to back the car out. We're going to wash it and see what happens here. See if we need to polish it or if the ceramic coating helped. So stand by for that.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all.
All right, y'all, so we washed the car. This is why you ceramic coat your vehicles and you don't ride on them. But the ceramic coat helped. So I have my light on here. You can see, like, I don't really see too much, but there is some spots. Let me see if I can find it, like right here. You can see those fine scratches right here. I don't know if that's going to show up on the camera or not, but there, you kind of get it right there. But that is why you don't ride on your vehicles. And the ceramic coat helped. If it wasn't ceramic coated, it'd have been, you'd have seen it still. So anyway, ceramic coat your vehicles. Don't ride on people's vehicles, guys. Don't do it. It's not cool. Even if you have good intentions, it's not okay. Until next time, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Please subscribe. Like. All right, guys. Till next time. See ya.